Welcome to Lawfemme. So glad that you're here today. I have a new video for you. It is my top 6 legal terms that will help you better understand the legal jargon, which is called legalese. English words are more intuitive in their meaning, while legalese is its own unofficial language that doesn't have anything to do with the actual word that it might have in English when spoken regularly in conversation. So let's get started. Number 1, plaintiff, also known as the claimant. They are the one that is starting the lawsuit. The basic principle is that the plaintiff is the one seeking to recover damages from the alleged wrongdoer or the defendant. Verb complain, which can be traced back to its Latin phrase, which means to beat one's chest in lamentation. Number 2, defendant. Here's where the love of sports comes in. The defendant is the one defending himself against the plaintiff. That is really easy to remember when you think of offense and defense, as the defense is defending their side of the court. Defendants, after being served, can bring their own claims against the person that started the lawsuit, which are called counterclaims. Here is a pro tip. To keep plaintiff and defendant separately, remember that plaintiff comes from the word complain and defendant comes from the word defend. The plaintiff is the one that is complaining about what is going on, and the defendant is defending themselves against that complaint. Number 4, that is incredible. Well, it's not exactly incredible. When it comes to law, incredible means the opposite of credible, which is not believable. Credibility is one of the most important things when you're in a lawsuit, because the judge or the jury has to decide which side is credible, either the defendant or the plaintiff. So incredible is the opposite, which means not credible. Default. Default is when a court stops a party, either a plaintiff or a defendant, from advancing claims or defenses because the party did not do something required by the law or rules of court. Judges may open the default if the party does comply with the judge's orders. Injury. Injury is a violation of another's rights for which legal action to recover damages or losses is allowed. In legalese, the following words can be used to substitute injury, which are a wrong, an injustice, a grievance, or an offense. We have damages. Damages are the loss that is suffered and which can be recovered in a lawsuit. There are 3 types of damages. We have compensatory damages, general damages, and punitive damages.